for the first time, we have thinking things that are not people that we interact with on a regular basis. And we have to give some consideration to what that does to the composition and cohesion of the societies that we live in, right?
Yeah, that's fair.
I think that's going to be a more direct consequence. And when I say that, like, I alluded earlier on to my thinking that maybe, the AI apocalypse that people are afraid of is sort of misconceived. I think what I mean by that is I think there's a much greater and more immediate threat in the potential for AI to participate in shaping our preferences and in shaping the language we use with one another and in producing misinformation for us than there is in, like, somebody plugs one into a bomb and blows us up.